Welcome to our channel, where we discuss tips and strategies for starting your own business. Today, we'll be diving into the exciting world of e-commerce and exploring how you can start your own online store. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or simply interested in the e-commerce industry, this video is for you. Let's get started. Segment 1. Identify your niche. Host. The first step in starting an e-commerce business is to identify your niche. This involves researching and finding a specific target market or audience that you want to serve. Consider your interests, expertise, and the market demand when selecting your niche. By focusing on a niche market, you can differentiate yourself from competitors and build a loyal customer base. Segment 2. Conduct market research. Host. Once you have identified your niche, it's time to conduct thorough market research. Evaluate the competition in your chosen niche. Identify key players, their product offerings, pricing, marketing strategies, and customer reviews. This analysis will help you understand the market landscape and identify gaps or opportunities that you can leverage. Segment 3. Define your brand and value proposition. Host. Developing a strong brand identity is crucial for standing out in the e-commerce world. Create a compelling brand name, logo, and consistent visual elements that resonate with your target audience. Clearly define your unique selling points and value proposition. Highlight what makes your products or services unique, high quality, or superior to competitors. Segment 4. Source products and suppliers. Host. Now it's time to source products and suppliers for your online store. Identify reliable suppliers or manufacturers that can provide quality products in your niche. Establish partnerships and negotiate favorable terms, including pricing, shipping, and return policies. You may also consider dropshipping, where you partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping on your behalf. Segment 5. Build your online store. Host. Building your online store is an essential step in starting your e-commerce business. Choose an e-commerce platform that suits your needs, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento. These platforms offer customizable templates, easy inventory management, and secure payment gateways. Design a user-friendly and visually appealing website that aligns with your brand. Ensure seamless navigation, clear product categorization, and an intuitive checkout process. Don't forget to optimize your website for search engines SEO to improve visibility and drive organic traffic. Segment 6. Set up secure payment processing. Host. Integrating secure payment gateways is crucial for facilitating smooth and secure transactions. Popular options include PayPal, Stripe, or setting up a merchant account with a bank. It's essential to ensure your website has SSL certification to encrypt customer data and protect sensitive information. Segment 7. Develop a marketing strategy. Host. Creating a comprehensive marketing strategy is key to attracting customers to your online store. Utilize a mix of digital marketing techniques, including search engine marketing, SEM, social media advertising, content marketing, email marketing, and influencer collaborations. Leverage social media platforms to engage with your target audience, build a community, and showcase your products. Consider running targeted ads to reach potential customers. Segment 8. Focus on customer experience. Host. Providing exceptional customer service is vital for building trust and loyalty. Respond promptly to inquiries, offer multiple customer support channels, such as live chat, email, or phone, and address customer concerns effectively. Implement customer-friendly policies for returns, exchanges, and refunds. These practices build confidence in your brand and encourage repeat purchases. Segment 9. Monitor analytics and make data-driven decisions. Host. Tracking website analytics and sales data is crucial for making informed decisions. Gain insights into customer behavior, popular products, and marketing campaign performance. Use this data to optimize your marketing strategies.